Hi, I'm Darlene, and welcome back to Super at 60. Well, today I want to share with you a meal for my husband tonight. Yes, it's all about my husband today, and I'll tell you why. He had the last week off during Christmas and New Year's. Generally, he takes that week off, and we just go and we do, and we have the best time. And for a little bit of that time, most of that time, we had my oldest son and his wife, and my two grandsons were here, and we just had a wonderful, wonderful time. We really, truly did. So when this day came, the day that I knew that he was going to be returning back to work, I knew it was going to be a little difficult for me. And I think it's probably a little difficult for him as well. So I want to make him a really special dinner tonight. Right before the holidays, I received this great big beautiful box in the mail from a company called Wildgrain. And I thought, Wildgrain, okay, well, let's give it a check out here. So I opened it up. It was a beautiful box. I mean, everything came so beautiful and frozen solid. I didn't have to worry about anything. It just came perfectly. It came at a rough time for me. I was not able to really test out any of the products for you guys. So I just kind of opened the box and I put everything in my freezer until I had a chance to really take the time to read up, to listen all about this company. It's a little tiny small bakery up in the Boston, Massachusetts area. That is my understanding of this company. And I love to support small businesses. I always have. And so I just want to show you a few of the products. Just going to pan through some of them, and we'll just go through them, and I'll show you exactly what I plan on using some of them for tonight for Lou, his very special dinner tonight. Today's video is sponsored by Wildgrain, a small bakery business in the Boston area. Their specialty is using all fresh and healthy ingredients. My particular interest is in the sourdough breads. You know I love my sourdough. They sent me several of them to try. One is a rosemary garlic sourdough. One is a sourdough harvest bread with pecans and cranberries and apricots. And another is a slow fermented 3-seed bread. The sourdough harvest bread, yeah, that one sounds pretty good. And that's the one I'm making tonight. We also have a fettuccine package, a fresh fettuccine, homemade fettuccine. There's nothing better in the world like that. So one of my husband's favorite dishes in the whole world is pasta. So that's what he's getting tonight. So stay with me as we make a delicious supper just for Lou. Well, I'm gonna eat some too, I guess. And we're gonna test out this Wildgrain company, because if it's really something great and I love it, I want you guys to know about it. Recently, over on my community tab, we just kind of quickly talked about the possibility of having a Super at 60 prayer warrior type team, where whenever prayer requests come in per the community tab, which I ask frequently over there if there's any ways that I can pray for you, and very often you will leave me prayer requests over there. So through using the community tab in that way, and also my superat60@gmail.com email address. Those are two ways that you can contact me with any and all prayer requests, whether they are prayer requests that you want to tell me about, or prayer requests that are silent prayer requests that you don't want to tell me or anyone else about. It is a private matter, but of course the Lord knows about it. So either way is just fine. If you would like to become part of the Super at 60 Prayer Warrior group, and I would love for every single one of you to sign up for this, just contact me please, either through the community tab or preferably through the super60@gmail.com, because that way if I need to send out, you know, one email to all of you for several different prayer requests that came in, I can do it that way and it'll be much, much easier. Please know though, please know that I will never send your email to another living soul, and most likely I will never even use names. You know, I will just use circumstances. So-and-so, there's a prayer request that came in for a husband who is having surgery next week, and the prayer request is that he will have a full recovery, and, you know, pray for the skill of the surgeons, things like that. We can pray for those things. We don't need to know any more than that. The Lord knows already what the need is, but he wants to always hear from us, his children, his faithful warriors. So if you'd like to be a part of that, please let me know, super60@gmail.com, and we will get things rolling on that end. I'm very, very excited about this. I truly, truly am. There is something so liberating and so very, very special about putting your own needs aside and putting the needs, the desires, the prayer request, the hurts, all those things above yourself and putting them for someone else and bringing their requests to the Lord himself. So thank you in advance, and I hope to see your name come through for me over at super60@gmail.com. Thank you. One of the things that my husband loves the best on his pasta is simply butter, Parmesan cheese, and some bacon sprinkled on top. So that's what I'm starting to get together right now, is a little bit of bacon that I can just pop right into my oven. And my kitchen smells so wonderful right now. I cannot wait to show you how wonderful this meal is going to turn out tonight. Well, here's the bread. Just, oh my goodness, can you hear that? It smells wonderful. And look how beautiful. It's a very, very lovely loaf, I have to say that. Oh, goodness. All right, are you ready? Let's cut into this and just see what happens. Ooh, it's crispy and crunchy. And look at that. It is simply, oh, the smell is just wonderful. Look how packed it is with product. Look at all those grains in there, those nuts, the cranberries, the apricot, and I really think there's, I thought I read that there's crystallized ginger in here as well. This is just beautiful. Okay, I hope you can hear me over here. It's always a little bit of a challenge when I make my way over to the stove. I'm gonna put in our beautiful fresh fettuccine pasta right into our hot boiling salted water. And as soon as that comes up to the boil again, I'm gonna set the timer for about 6 to 8 minutes. Fresh pasta cooks a whole lot faster than the hard stuff that we're used to buying in the boxes. Fresh pasta is so delicious. I can't wait to make it for you myself someday soon here. It's a lot of fun too in the kitchen. It's a lot of fun to make it. All right, so I'm gonna let that go. And while that's going, I'm gonna go ahead and put our delicious cheese sauce together. This was an absolutely fabulous wild grain meal. I totally enjoyed the box. Everything that I tasted in it has been absolutely delicious. If you are interested, there is a referral link below, and for the first 50 people that like to sign up for a box to come to your own house, you will get $10 off and some free croissants in every box. You can sign up for one box, or you can sign them up for every month, but just a one and done, if that's what you're interested in, is just fine. I want to thank Wildgrain again for contacting me and for sending me this delicious, delicious food. Everything was wonderful. Thank you, Wildgrain. I truly appreciate it. All links, everything that you'll need are below. And well, I know Lou's going to enjoy his meal tonight. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will see you again so very, very soon. And let me know, heads up again, let me know, super60@gmail.com, if you would like to participate and be a prayer warrior with Super at 60. I am so excited about that. And I thank you again for joining me, and I'll see you very soon. Bye now, and Lord bless.